earthquake.
And we're back. Sorry about the little incident with the earthquake. The studio sends their apologies. Anyways, welcome to Jacob and Matthew's earthquake report thingy video.
We're back, and we're talking about the Loma Prieta earthquake that was near San Francisco in 1989.
1989, right. Something interesting about it actually happened during the third game during the World Series slip, which means one plate goes one way, the other goes the other way. Like, kinda like that. Not sure if you can see. Yes, probably not.
Parts of the plates that are breaking to form this earthquake are the edges where the plates meet. Because, you know, it's a right lateral strike slip. So you would think that, like, at least some of the plates would break the edges.
Earthquake survival kit that you should have if you're going to be in like an earthquake zone. And so me and Matthew are going to show you how to hack it.
First off, flashlights. Most likely you're going to be in a dark room, so you're going to want some of these.
And you're going to need candles in case it runs out of battery and they emit heat. So if you're in a dark room and frozen, then yeah.
Dust masks, because dust from concrete is actually toxic, believe it or not.
You're going to need like 3 days worth of food, and usually canned food because it lasts longer, and a can opener because if we don't have a can opener, the food's worthless.
Can opener.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah. Toilet paper, well, you know.
And you need a bottle of water that should, well, maybe not one, but a lot of bottles of water that should last you a while. And
3 days.
Yeah, 3 days, as long as the food. And then
A blanket or a sleeping bag, because you're going to be there for a while. And you're going to want something to sleep on.
you're gonna want like some cooling packs. So you know, if you break your leg, it has a cooling pack.
And if your legs just so happen to not be broken, you're gonna want to walk around. So you're gonna need a pair of these, because there's gonna be like a whole bunch of debris, forks, broken glass, things like that, and they're gonna cut up your feet.
And you want a first aid pack, because if your leg is broken, you need like splints and bandages and stuff. So yeah. And that's the earthquake survival.
So, it slipped along the St. Andrews Fault, lasted 10 to 15 seconds, was 6.9 on the Richter scale, and 63 people died. 3 to 12,000 people were homeless, and 42 people died on this interstate collapse that I'm about to throw you.
I have been expecting you.
Alright, let us begin. The Loma Prieta earthquake occurred in California, somewhere near San Francisco, in 1980. No!